today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae. And today's practical is the study of the genus Botredium. Botredium, it is an algal plant. Let us say what is the requirement for the practical purpose. We need classwork material of respective genus, that is Botredium. We need needle, safranin, glycerin, slide, cover slip, dropper, brush and microscope. These are the things required for the practical purpose. What we have to do during practical, what is the procedure? Let us see the procedure. Remove a drop of culture containing cells of Botredium, and stain with a drop of safranin. We are removing this Botredium with the help of dropper because it is very small microscopic structure, and in a drop of water many Botredium will be present. And stain this with the drop of safranin and then mount in a drop of glycerin on the clean slide. Cover up the material with cover slip and then observe this slide under microscope. This is a temporary preparation of Botredium slide. And after observation, you have to observe under microscope. What you have to see under microscope, let us discuss. Observation. The genus Botredium, it is a unicellular algae. Uni means one. It is one-celled algae. It is one-celled but many nuclei are present in the Botredium, in the thallus. There are many nuclei, hence it is multinucleate structure. And the plant body is divided into two parts, that is upper portion is aerial portion which is balloon shaped, and the lower portion of the thallus which is penetrated in the mud, and that is branched rhizoidal system of the plant. The chloroplast is absent in rhizoidal system. And the balloon shaped aerial portion of the Botredium that consists of many nuclei, reserve food material, chloroplast and cell organelles which are distributed in the cytoplasm. And in general, the size of balloon reaches up to 1 to 2 mm in diameter. In this case, you have to observe the distribution of nuclei. All the nuclei which are present in balloon shaped structure of the Botredium, they are situated toward the peripheral region. Hence the ectoplasm or periplasm that looks thicker or that appear more granular than the endoplasm. Endoplasm, it is situated at the center of the balloon shaped thallus. Endo means inner, plasma means liquid part. Endoplasm appears transparent because there are no nuclei. Nuclei are distributed toward the peripheral region. Nuclei are absent in the endoplasm, center of the thallus. The chloroplasts are restricted up to the balloon shaped region of the plant body. Chloroplast is absent in rhizoidal system, just I told you. The cell cytoplasm contains droplets of leucosin as a reserve food material but no starch. Starch is absent. A large vacuole is also present in the aerial part of the genus Botredium. Let us see the classification. Division Xanthophyta, class Xanthophyceae, order Heterosiphonalis, family Botrediaceae, genus Botredium. This is all about, this is the photograph given here. This is the photograph of Botredium, and see the distribution of nuclei, chloroplast, vacuole in the aerial part of the photograph, and lower part is rhizoidal system, upper part is a large vesicle. Large vesicle is also present. This is the photograph of Botredium. This is all about practical of Botredium. Just you have to prepare a slide and observe under a microscope, and you have to write all the details. Thank you very much.